that supported us from the beginning. I just want to let you guys know that we truly appreciate you and we notice you, more importantly. Whether we reach out to every single person one by one, obviously we're not able to do that because there's thousands of people, but I just want to let you guys know, for the people that follow us on Instagram, Snapchat, that we really do appreciate the words, because there's days where it just feels like nothing can go right, and there's weeks, sometimes there's weeks that go by where we just feel like nothing's gonna go right, and those supportive words help us a lot. So we're never gonna stop doing this. We're always here to help people. We wanna donate to charity. We wanna just be around the car community. We wanna meet you guys. We just wanna do everything that we can to be involved.
This is not just a team. This is a family. This is where we get together and we help each other. That's what this is about.
If you want to define yourself as successful, it should be based on how happy you are. If you're not happy, you are not successful. So you can have one follower or you can have 1 million followers, but if you're not happy at the end of the day, then that means nothing. Success cannot be defined off of one thing.
I want to leave something behind that everyone can remember. I'm a part of this positive community. I'm a part of Super Garage. I'm a part of a family. And I want that to live on forever.
For who I am and for everything that we stand for and everything that we do is for you guys. And we love you. And that's why we do it. Take life seriously and help people around me, be here for my family, my friends. And I just wasn't ready for the actual time for it to happen. Kind of figuring out the obvious, and that is that no one really actually cares. Moving differently than I ever have before, it's like I not only don't want to mess up, but I also want every day to be used to help as many people as I can. And I know that that's why I'm here. I know that's the reason that I started this whole thing, and that's what I'm gonna get. I just want to stay at the roots that I know, and that's why we're here. So I know that's the same bullshit, like people have their family members and friends pass away, and it's just a part of life. But when it finally happens to you and you have someone close to you that's no longer there anymore, it just hits differently. So I guess what I'm trying to say is I want to take everything that has hit me and come back as a different person, really try to truly be in the moment. Because it's the small moments that we miss that we'll look back on and realize, damn, I was there for that, and it was a small thing, but it means a lot. And even right now, as we're filming this, it's different to look back, because I can see Randy behind the camera, Caden's over there, and we're just kind of documenting things as they come. But the truth is the past few months has been us trying to figure out how we're going to move forward, and we don't want to lie and say that we know what we're doing, because everything in life is trying to figure it out. So right now, best thing for us to do is just to be honest with ourselves and be honest with you guys that we definitely know that our purpose is to help everyone, but we're just trying to go at it at a different pace and different movement this time, because losing people sucks and life happens. Things happen in your life that you're not going to expect, and that's why we as a community have to come together and help each other no matter what happens. So I just want to let you guys know we love you, and life is hard. As long as we stick together in whatever way we can figure out, this life just gets a lot easier.